Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kangaroo Deshin. I believe some of you might not like to eat overripe bananas. So today I'm going to show you a recipe before you throw them to the bin, because overripe bananas have a lot of health benefits. They prevent cell damage, lower blood pressure, relieve heartburn, prevent anemia, boost energy, prevent cancer, improve cardiovascular health, manage ulcers, and so on. So today for this recipe, I add semolina to reduce the amount of flour we add to our batter. So we need 2 overripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of self-raising flour, few drops of vanilla, 1 cup of milk of your choice. First, let's roast semolina for few minutes, but make sure not to burn it. It should be over low heat. Let's add all together our 2 bananas, two eggs, one cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, and our roasted semolina, 1 cup, and few drops of vanilla. Let's blend all together with a stick blender, or if you don't have a stick blender, you can use your normal blender. Add some salt according to your taste. So the consistency of the batter should look like this. Don't make it too runny. So it's not runny like the normal pancake batter. So close it and leave it for about 10-15 minutes. So after about 10-15 minutes, we'll make our pancakes. For this recipe, instead of bananas, you can also use vegetables if you want savory pancakes. So let's make it. Now make sure not to make it too thin, because this is not like our usual pancake batter. It is with semolina, so make sure to make it little bit thicker. So with these quantities you can make about 10 pancakes. You can make this for Mother's Day tomorrow and let me know how you go. Our pancakes are ready now. So I made 10 pancakes with this batter. Let's see. It's nice and soft. And you can add some maple syrup. It's yummy. Try this recipe and let me know. You can add anything you want, maybe maple syrup, and then you can add some blueberries, strawberries, or some dark chocolates, whatever you like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.